You know what hurts the most? Sending your resume to 100 plus companies and not getting even a single call. I have been there. I have built resumes on Word, used online templates, even tried those fancy left right designs everyone uses. No matter what I did, nothing worked. Until one day I realized the problem wasn't my skills, it was the structure of the resume itself. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created my resume on LateX OverLeaf and I got 10 to 17 plus calls in my last working day. So for that, watch this video till end. My name is Tejas and you're watching Alpha Engineer channel. So let's get this started. I started building my first resume in MS Word, and trust me, I kept switching between 10 different templates. Most of them had two sides, left section for skills, right for experience. Looked fancy but failed in ATS scanning. Recruiters never even saw it. That's when I realized for big MNCs your resume must be ATS friendly, meaning it should be simple, linear, and scannable by AI. One page, straight top to down format, no complex design, just content that speaks your skill. Then I discovered overleaf.com, an online latex editor where you can build clean resume, professional ones that ATS friendly and the system loves. The best part, you don't even need a PC. I edited mine right from my phone. The templates are not just good, they are perfect. Clean margins, aligned sections, and instantly downloadable PDFs. Slowly, I started improving it version by version. At first, it looked average, but soon it started looking professional, structured, and powerful. Here's how I structured mine. This template here I got from LinkedIn. A guy got selected into Microsoft from using this template. So I copy pasted that template and all the sections are from exactly how it is. I just edited my part, my skills I added into this. And this got me shortlisted into multiple companies. And I even got a call from Deloitte, EPAM, Bentley, and multiple MNCs like TCS, Cinecron, Capgemini. Many MNCs I got called from, and I have given the interview for that. So as you can see on my screen, first is header, just name, contact email, and LinkedIn. Nothing else, no photo, no DOB, no home address. Profile summary is there. I use this to summarize my 3 years journey as an SDET. You can take this all data from ChatGPT. You can ask him for the ATS friendly keywords and he will give you. Next is technical skills, tools, languages, and frameworks like Java, Selenium, Rest Assured, Jenkins, Postman, and even Playwright. And this section is a keyword gold. I checked my keywords using ChatGPT, Naukri, and LinkedIn JD comparisons. I didn't just use only ChatGPT. Okay, I have taken the Naukri subscription at the last month of my notice period, and it gave me keywords to add into my resume, so it was easy for me. And if you want to know if the LinkedIn and Naukri subscription is worth it or not, then you can watch my full detailed video that I have created how I got 6 plus offer letters in just 30 days. Next is experience. Each bullet I wrote followed one rule: action, number, result. Like reduce regression testing time by 50% by automating web apps in Selenium. That's the kind of impact statement that got me shortlisted fast. Education, keep it simple: college, degree, year, percentage. For freshers, you can also add a section like extracurricular activities. It gives a recruiter a human side of you. Because when I got placed into Cognizant from campus, I added this section where I remember clearly I added NSS because I was core member of NSS, and also there were multiple cells I have worked. Like there was one cell for startup. Also there's common cells like ABVP and other multiple cells I have worked, and what activities I perform in that cells I have added it in there. So it was easier for me to converse with the interviewer. So it helped me shortlist and as well as selected into my first company. Next is certifications. This made a huge difference. Big ones like AWS Cloud Practitioner, Azure Fundamentals, Postman, Selenium frameworks, and API testing helped me stand out. Recruiter instantly noticed this during screening and even the system because of the keywords. So next is checking ATS score. Now I didn't just build my resume and forgotten it. I have checked my ATS score online on Google on different platforms are there, and also there's a Naukri internal ATS scorer where you can check your ATS score. If your resume shows up into the top 5 to 6% or score above 80%, that's a strong signal your resume is ready. 70% is decent, 80% plus is a good, and 90% plus is excellent. I didn't stop after making it once. Every few days, I updated my Naukri profile, added new certifications, new tools, and small achievements. Even changing a single line or keyword refreshes your visibility in Naukri algorithm. I also tailored my resume for each company I applied to. If I applied on a career portal, I tweaked the skills slightly to match the JD. And when I upskilled, I updated that immediately into my resume. Slowly, my resume transformed into something clean, impactful, beautiful, and ATS friendly. The next week, my phone didn't stop ringing. I started getting calls slowly, one call a day, but again 2 3 days a gap, then again 2 3 calls I got a day. I got calls for first month. Second month was a bit silent. There were no much of a calls. And in my last month, in last week, around my last working day, I got even 10 to 17 plus calls in a day. And trust me, I got call from Deloitte, EPAM, and even multiple MNC companies. But it was late. I already got an offer, and it was my last working day, so I joined my current company that I'm currently working in. But after all this, I clearly realized the resume doesn't just represent you, it markets you. Now let's go on to my computer screen and I will show you how to use LateX OverLeaf website, and then you can also start creating your resume. तो सिंपली आपको गूगल पे जाना है और डालना है लेटेक्स ओवरलीफ लॉगिन, देन जो वेबसाइट आएगी उस पर आपको क्लिक करना है। देन आपका जो अकाउंट है उसको आपको लॉगिन कर लेना है या क्रिएट कर लेना है अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम हो तो। विद गूगल और एनीथिंग यू कैन साइन अप हियर, एंड देन द टेम्पलेट नेम इज़ फैंग पाथ सिंपल टेम्पलेट। So simply you can see I have edited 3 months ago and all, and it is totally free. I'm not getting any paid or giving any payment or anything. And this templates, after clicking you can simply search your template fang path. Then here it is, you can see this fang path template template symbol template. So this template I have used, and you can also use this template, and it's up to you what you have to add, what sections you have to add. So I added my sections, mostly are similars, but some up and down is there, so you can change accordingly. And if you want my guidance for what I did exactly, where and which sections I have added, I'm going to make separate video for that, so you can refer that. So simply you have to click on open template, and then as you can see here, it is looking a bit complicated, but it is really simple, trust me. So at the right side you can see the first name, last name, all the dummy data. So from the left side you have to enter the data between the tags and simply click on the recompile. So let me do it. I'm editing my first name and last name in between the tags. So as you can see, after clicking on recompile, it is reflecting my name in the resume, and simply all the data you can change from this resume for yours, and you just have to edit the data. You don't have to touch any tags. And also there's many different features above you can use. And then as you can see, normal text, bold, and all the things, and there's AI assistant as well. I think there are few free uses daily, something for using AI assistant, and here you can download your PDF freely. So it's just as simple as that. But the hassle is every time you have to come here and then edit your resume, and then you can download it. Remember, your resume is your first interview. If you get this one document right, you don't chase jobs, jobs chase you. Start with a clean one-page LaTeX format on Overleaf. Use the right keywords, update it often, and please only write what you actually know, what you're learning. Authenticity beats copy-paste templates. Because trust me, the difference is real. And if you build your resume right, then next step is even bigger. how to use that resume smartly on Naukri to get 10 to 15 interview calls every single day. I have shared my exact strategy how I manage my Naukri profile, updated it daily and turned it into a call magnet. So don't miss, watch my next video, the secrets to getting 10 to 15 interview calls and how to manage your Naukri profile.